PUMA Hoops and LaMelo Ball are dropping yet another colorway in the MB.03, and this time it's gonna be in collaboration with Dexter's Laboratory and Cartoon Network. Now, they definitely were notorious with doing a collaboration with Nickelodeon with the slime colorway on the MB2s, and now this time on the MB.03 silhouette, which right here is the Joker kind of colorway, which is still one of my favorite colorways that have dropped in the MB line. Now, this one specifically, the Dexter's Laboratory colorway, is a trippy colorway. As you can see on the side, it has a very psychedelic and trippy colorway with a multicolored pattern going throughout it. Now, the colorful pattern is to really match Dexter's level of chemistry and mixing all different kind of chemicals, and this right here really showcases that. And of course, with that trippy white and black background, it really adds to this colorway. Now, it is a really out there colorway, and I have seen LaMelo Ball in them, and it really does look good on court. Now, you have that black outsole, which really adds a nice touch to it and makes sure that it has that kind of solidarity with the colors, and the splatters of paint white at the bottom looks really, really good. Now, like I said, it does have this hippie kind of look and has all this rainbow swirls growing out throughout it. And then on top of that, the laces have those black and white swirls. And on the tongue, actually, they add a few different details that I thought were pretty cool, which was having those little kind of potion or chemical bottles going on the tongue, either tongue, with the green and then the purple. Now, on the back, you're gonna see M.E.L.O, Dexter's Laboratory, and of course the PUMA logo. I think that this right here, this collaboration, is probably something to pay homage to what LaMelo Ball used to watch as a kid, like I did. And I really do like this collaboration because it is very trippy. And it's gonna stand out on court, which is my #1 priority for basketball sneakers, outside of the performance, of course. Now, these are gonna be dropping on December 22nd at 10 a.m. and it's gonna be releasing at the big box stores like Foot Locker, Champs, and of course, PUMA.com. Anyways, guys, let me know if you are gonna be copping these. These are going to be a retail price of $130, so hopefully you guys are able to cop these. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and please be sure to share. Joel2TV, out.